Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Although you can't delete the suggested search data, it is possible to remove your recent searches on Instagram, which can be useful if there are accounts that you search for that you no longer want to see. First, open Instagram and tap the search icon at the bottom. Then, tap the search field at the top of the screen. If you've made a searches recently, you'll see this listed under Recent. To delete a recent search result, tap the X to the right of the account name. Repeat for any other recent searches that you want to remove. If you want to remove all recent searches at once, tap See All at the top of the list. In the top right corner of the screen, tap Clear All to delete all recent searches. Knowing how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing ensures that other people can't see the accounts that you've been looking at when they search from within your Instagram account. It ensures that your Instagram use is a little more private. If an unwanted account appears when you type the letter A, for example, you need to click on Other Account in the suggestions that appear below. If you do this enough, these accounts will appear more often in your search suggestions, displacing the account that you didn't want to see. You may need to repeat this for multiple letter combinations too. Eventually, you should be able to stop the unwanted accounts from appearing. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.